What's going on, guys? It's Silver Secret, and I'm really happy to have you here today, guys, and I'm really excited about what's in this package that we are going to show you. Actually, we have two different packages to do. One of these is going to be given away 100% free, but what's really cool about both of these packages is they are both Star Wars. Guys, I'm not even going to beat around the bush. In this first one, we have the Star Wars Beskar Bars, which I am really excited about. 1 ounce silver Beskar Bars. I ordered 50 of them, and they're inside this package, so we're going to open it, and then when we're done taking a look at those, we're going to open up this and show you what we're going to be giving away very soon, and I'm really excited about it. So with all of that said, guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and get this open, but really quick, guys, before we open the box, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, don't forget to go down below and make sure you're subscribed, because over 50% of the people that watch this channel are not. And let's get into this box. All right, here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and open up the box. I'm really excited to get into this. As you can see, we do have a package, and my phone is also going off. I think there are people that haven't even seen this video that know I'm recording it right now, and they're like, Seeker, can we just watch live? But no, you can't, because this is not live. We are recording this. We are opening this up, and guys, I'm really excited about these. I've been waiting for them. Okay, I feel the invoice, so ka-chow, it is out, and let's go ahead and get them out. Now, according to the website, these came in little, yes, they came in little bar sleeves like this, straight from the New Zealand Mint. These are 2021 Nui 1 ounce silver Beskar Bars. And take a look at that, guys. $2 Star Wars Mandalorian Beskar Bar. Let's go ahead and get this open. We're going to keep one of these 100% sealed. We're going to open up the other one live here on the channel. We're going to take a look at them because I am really excited to look at them. So there's no way I could even leave both of these sealed, because I'll be honest, I want to see them. And honestly, I'm kind of kicking myself because I wish I would have ordered more of these. They sold out so quick. Now, there is another run coming. But honestly, guys, if AppMex does AppMex things, these are probably going to go up in price when they relist them, when they finally relist them. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. If they stay the same premium, I might buy more. If the premium goes up, I don't know. I'll have to decide. But I'm glad I at least bought 50, because honestly, I almost just bought 25. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. So I believe I did cut the seals. I thought I cut the tape. We're using our penny dog screwdriver here. I thought I cut the tape, but maybe I didn't. But I want to be careful. I don't want to damage what's inside. Fortunately, as you can see, there's a little piece of, it looks like, I don't know, paper towel or something. Ooh, man. Guys, we are, by the way, doing this in 4K. So if you have a 4K monitor or you have a 4K TV, feel free to watch it in gorgeous 4K as we open these up. Looks like there's a little bit of scuffing there. I don't know if that's normal, if it's from the paper. Let's go ahead and get it out, though. I want to be very gentle. I don't want to scratch these up. We'll go ahead and get two out, actually. We'll take a look and see if that's just normal. Yes, it looks like it's normal, so there's nothing extra going on there. But take a look at these, guys. These are so cool. So, of course, you have the Lucasfilm Limited down at the bottom. That's the official copyright. These are $2 from Nui. And you have the 1 troy ounce 99 fine silver. Flip it over. Oh, man, that is cool. It does look like there is a little bit of scuffing. Maybe they were banging up around in the tube a little bit. Maybe they should have put a little bit more protection in the tube to keep from banging around in shipment. But as you can see, these were sealed. So, I mean, but that's not enough. I mean, if you add the 2 bars of that, there's just room in there for it to bounce around, I think. So, I don't know. But, man, they're really gorgeous. Holy smokes. Here's a third one. Take a look. Yeah, same thing. Just a little bit of scuffing right in the center. But guys, 1 ounce silver Beskar Bars. These are so cool. 1 ounce silver 99 fine, $2. So guys, these are legal tender. These are really, believe it or not, considered to be coins. You could actually spend these. Now, I don't plan on going to Nui to spend these, but the fact that you can, kind of, you know, it's kind of cool, because you're spending Beskar, right, to get something. How cool is that? So again, guys, I got 50 of those. Now you're probably wondering, as I gently put these back in the tube, Seeker, what is that thing you talked about for a giveaway? Well, I'm going to tell you. So my friend Silver Surfer sent me something also Star Wars related inside this package. So let's go ahead and show you what is going on. And again, we will be giving this away on the channel here in the very near future. So again, if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the chance to get this in a giveaway. Look at that, Han Solo 1 ounce silver Chibi coin. Oh my goodness, number 8. I haven't even peeled this back yet. Man, again, people just know that I'm doing this. All right, well, that looks like it's just a... I thought that it would show. Maybe this has already been opened and not put back in correctly. Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I've never actually had one of the chibis. Oh, cool. So it was in there correctly. So now if you close it like that without the foam in there. But guys, this is cool. This is an actual 1 ounce silver coin. So yes, I did say coin. Remember how the bars were coins? Well, this is a coin too. But it is also 1 ounce of silver. It's also from Nui with the $2 face value 2021. You can see the Lucasfilm right there, 1 ounce 99 fine silver. So as much as I actually want this, it wasn't sent to me for me. It was sent to me for me to give away. So thank you so much, Silver Surfer. And guys, if you haven't checked out Silver Surfer's channel yet, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. But I do want to say thank you to Silver Surfer for providing this for a giveaway on the channel. And again, guys, we'll be doing this giveaway in the very, very near future. So make sure you are subscribed, like I said. They only made 2,000 of these, and this is number 926. But look at that, mintage of only 2,000. The box is the COA. How cool is that? Awesome, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, we will be doing more, and we'll be giving this away very, very soon. So I look forward to seeing you on the channel. Other than that, thank you so much. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.